In this video, we're going to talk about the letter D. We're going to learn what it looks like and what the sound that it represents. So here's an uppercase D. I see a line and one curve. So when I write it, I go down. I can pick my pencil back up and then do a big curve. Let's try it with our fingers. We go down, big curve. Just one big curve. This is an uppercase D. A lowercase d looks different. The curve goes the other direction. So we do a line and then a circle going the other way. Here's our line and our circle. Let's try it again. We go down and then we do a circle. So this is a lowercase d. And if we want to make an uppercase D with our bodies, it's kind of just bending over. Do you see her legs are the straight line? And then her body, her torso, her arms, her head, that's part of the curve. Can you make this with your body? Now we have the sound for D. So when we say the letter D, I kind of hear the sound in the letter. D says D, D, D. When I say D, do you hear it? At the beginning, it's like D and E together, D, and we have the sound D. So when I'm making the D sound, my mouth is open a little bit, there's some space between my teeth, and then my tongue goes behind my top teeth. Then I kind of have to press hard with my tongue, D, and I just let a little bit of air come out. D. You try. D. So here are some words that begin with the letter D, the D sound. Here's our uppercase D, the line and the one curve, and then the lowercase d where the circle is going the other way, the line and the circle. What is this animal? This is a duck. Another animal, do you know this one? This is a dolphin. Oh, another animal, do you know this one? A dog. Another one, a dinosaur. Now we've got some yummy food. Do you know what these are? They start with the D sound. Maybe you've been to a store that has these before. Donuts. And then we have a doctor, someone who helps us if we're sick, if we're not feeling well, if we get hurt. So all of these start with D and make the D sound at the beginning. So here's our card. It goes D, dog, D. D, dog, D. You try. D, dog, D. There we go. And here's how we do it in sign language. So it's kind of like we're just holding up one finger. The rest of our hand makes a little bit of a circle. And we just hold up one finger for D. Do you see how it kind of looks like a lowercase d? If I turn my hand, that might help you. So you can try it too. Hold up your hand to show D in sign language. And now we're all done. Now you can identify the letter D and the sound that it represents, the sound D. We'll keep practicing. I'm so proud of you for working so hard. You get smarter every time you watch a new video and you keep practicing. See you soon.